Welcome back to today's video, you guys. It is December, which means it is a brand new month, which means that we have a bunch of subscription boxes coming into us. So we're going to kick it off with Boxycharm, and I'm going to show you guys everything that's inside of December's box, but also I'm going to show you guys how I used those products on this face. So if you guys want to see everything that's inside of our Boxycharm, and before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already. And if you guys already have, thank you so much for tuning back in. And also remember to hit that notification bell. Let's get diving into this month's video. I totally did that thing today where I said I was going to do just a neutral look today, and then this came out. I was playing around with the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. Is it the, yeah, it's Obsessions palette, but what is it called? I played around with the Emerald Obsessions palette, y'all. Yeah. I'm totally going to do an Instagram tutorial, but if you guys want to see an actual tutorial on this eye look, let me know. I mean, I can probably put it all together, but I filmed it for Instagram, but I totally do that if you guys want to see a tutorial on this eye look. The very first thing I have in my box is the Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. This here retails for $30, and it's supposed to detoxify your pores from daily grime. So I did apply it with a brush because I thought it was a traditional mask until I read the directions. Always read the directions beforehand, by the way. And then what I did was I just kind of wet my fingers and then started massaging it. The next thing we have in our box is by Pretty Vulgar, and this here is called the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. I got the one in Matte About It, which I believe is the only one they may have sent out, which is perfect. I have oily skin. This here is something I definitely am already interested in. I did like the way that it sat underneath my eyes. I didn't see anything crazy, but I just started filming now. I've only had it on for about 30 to 45 minutes, so this is definitely something that I'm gonna have to wear a little bit more often, and then I'll definitely give you guys an update maybe in like a monthly favorites video. We got two lip products, which I was really excited about because they actually, I feel like, go together. We got a lip liner, and this one here is by Bodyography, and the shade that I received was in Timber. I ended up going in with my entire lip with this color. I really like it. I love the color because I feel like it's just a little bit darker than my actual lip color, so it really helps kind of enhance my lips if I kind of want to make them a little bit bigger. The next lip product we got is by Tarte. This here is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint, and the shade that I received was in Strike Gold. I have it actually all over my lip, and I'm really impressed because it is starting to fade away just a little bit, except like right here and right here. And what I found is that there's no leftover residual glitter, which is great. And then the last thing we have is this right here. This here is a mini hair straightener by PYT. I do like that it comes with this little carrying case, and you can then rest it on top of it so you don't burn anything. And it retails for $75, it says. I like it. I used it for my baby hairs. I don't have a mini straightener like this. I've never seen the need for it. I've never had an issue traveling with my normal size hairstyler. I do like how close that this gets to my really baby fine hairs right here, and these kink so much, you guys. I probably would never travel with this alone. Like, I would definitely take my hair straightener, but that is because I have super curly hair and I need super high heat. I need a bigger barrel. I think if you already have semi-straight hair or maybe wavy hair, you could probably get away with traveling with this. I would probably tag this along with it, so that way if I was just throwing my hair in a bun and I didn't want to fuss with a huge straightener, I can kind of just, you know, get those baby hairs. That is where I see this one coming into play. So that there is my Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys liked it, and let me know down below if you guys got any of the same things I did or what you got that may have been different. If you guys are wanting to subscribe, make sure to look down below in the description box, and I have all of that good stuff down below, and you guys can head over and check it out. I think it is a great opportunity if you guys are wanting to get it as a Christmas present to yourself, or maybe you want to give a gift to somebody. This is a great present to give. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe. I upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and I usually upload around 6 p.m. at night. So I hope to see you guys all in my next video. I love you guys, and my voice is going out, and I will see you guys later. Bye.